Hey guys, back again with another review. Today we're just going to do a little short review. It is a new watch band that I was sent out by Braxley Bands. Pretty good products, very comfortable, and customer service is great as well. Very nice guy. I was actually in one of his lives watching his new bands and just messaging, was like, hey man, I'd like to check out a band, and he was nice enough to send this one out. So funny story about this is all this started because he was doing a school project. So you'll have to go check it out, but I'll leave links to all this below. So I have wore this band and tried it out. Pretty simple packaging. You get a little preview of it there, of course. This is the snow camo for the 42, 44, and 45. On the back you says open the experience, wrist bliss. It's like sweatpants for your Apple Watch. And he's absolutely right. It is very comfortable and stretchy. So it's a little presentation you open up here. A lot of literature. So if you'd like to pause and read any of this, sorry. You can follow him at Braxley. It's got his TikTok and his Instagram as well. So I do just have the Apple Watch SE, and it's worked perfect for it. So on the snow camo, it has the white linkage here that locks it into your Apple Watch, which I think is really cool and a nice little touch with the snow camo. And shout out to Clean My Tech for sending me out these new Little Ricky cleaning cloths. I have actually been using them today and just kind of test them out to see how they are. And these are great. Very, very good cloths. I'm going to wipe off my Apple Watch, but just a little small cloth. Wipe your phones off, your AirPods, whatever that may be. So I'm going to wipe my Apple Watch off first. Give it a good little wipe down before we put this band on there. So there we go. Oops. So I like putting this part, I wear it on my left side, so I like putting the adjuster on the outside. So what I do is you just slide there, and you will slide here. Maybe. Slide there. And then I'm going to extend it out because I'm a bigger guy and I didn't pay attention, so I will switch it back. So I'm going to put the adjuster on the outside of my left wrist instead of the inside. I just like it better that way. I don't like really seeing it. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't like it on the inside. So yeah, so it is a little loose, and if you need to tighten it, you just, pull down and tighten on this. Very, very comfortable. But you got to find which tightness you like. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So I almost typed in my passcode, and y'all almost saw it. That would have been no good. So this is what it would look like on your wrist. Very comfortable. I have to loosen mine up. I don't like it squeezing my wrist too much. But yeah, I love this band. I think Braxley does a great job with them. Plan on getting some more at some point. I do have a discount code if you guys like the Braxley bands that I can put in the description below, and I will link also this band as well. They advertise these as machine washable on their website. Have I tested it yet? No, but I plan on it because I'm curious to see if it actually, is safe to put in the wash machine, because I will be honest with you guys, this was probably a little wider when I first got it, but I've wore it a lot because I really wanted to test this one out, and I feel like it's gotten a little dirty. So I plan on giving it a wash, and if you guys would like to see what it looks like after I wash it, just let me know in the comments below. So again, this is the Braxley band. Go check them out. If you have any questions, just shoot me a DM, and I hope you all have a great day. Peace.